Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're inside my car and we're doing an unboxing of an air freshener. So I'll get it out of the box. I've already opened it because I had two boxes the same size, so I had to open it. Sorry about that. So I bought this on Amazon. It cost me around about £11 and it's an air freshener. I normally pay about £1 or £2 for an air freshener. The most I've ever paid is probably a £5. And they're all okay, they work for like a day or two and then you lose the smell. Well, hopefully this will last a lot longer than a couple of days. It connects to your blower and that will help disperse it around the car and make it smell nice every time I get in the car. That is the plan. So with that I'm going to show you around the box and then we'll do the unboxing. So that's the front, of course. It says on the back, Natural Health. It's got the name of the company. I think it's AlsterPlus or AlsterPlus. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. See that? Shows you a little bit on the side. But, you know, overall it shows you what's inside. Hopefully the air freshener. So I'll do the unboxing. And see what you get for your money. So like I say, so just around about £11. You get quite a bit actually. Oh, it's quite small. So that is your air freshener. This little tiny thing here, and it's adjustable on the side, so depending on how strong you want it coming out. So obviously well, not obviously, the middle looks like the strongest. That's a bit weird, but I will have to read the instructions. So that's it. So it's a little tiny thing, so it should just clip on my car. Oh, and it does. So that's a good result. Let's see what else you get. So you get 1, 2, 3. You get 5 different flavours or smellies. So what have we got here? We have orange fragrance, olive taste. That's what it says. Olive taste. What's this one? It just says fragrance. Also says do not eat. That says fragrance. Lemon flavour. I might try that one first actually. And sea elegance. So we're going to do the lemon flavour one first. I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions. Not that I don't think you really need to, but natural health extracted from various flowers. So you're getting 5. So you get a pack of 5. Was it 4? 1, 2, 5. Get a pack of 5. You get a little bit of information. No, actually, you don't get no information. It's just a picture. So that's a picture. Move that out of the way. And that's it. So that's it in the box. Let's see if it's already got one inside. So just unscrew it. Nothing inside already. So what we're going to do, like so, we're going to go for the fragrance. We're going to go for the lemon flavour. This one here. See that? So that's a lemon flavour. So just tear it open. So. Should be able to smell it straight from it. So it's a stick. Oh yeah, you can smell it. You want to smell? Yeah? It's quite strong. Undo it. I'll take it, you just pop it in there like so. That's in. Do it back up. That's quite easy actually, isn't it? I'm going to set on to the highest. Or stick it in the middle. I don't know what that does. See that? Like I say, it's got different settings on it, so I'm just put it in the middle and push it in there. I'm going to have it on my side or her side. This is her side. I'm going to push it on for now. I'm going to put it on her side like that. See that? So it's on here. You've got an easy adjustment. You turn it up and down. There's no real instructions on how to use this, so I'm just going to put it on that setting because I want it to smell nice, and hopefully it will. So obviously it's going to take me a few days to find out how good it is, but it's quite easy to install. And if I don't like that, I've got 4 more I can try out. Look, see? So there's 4 more fragrance there. That's the one we've just used. Like I say, you got, what's this one again? This one is olive taste. Yeah, see that? It's a bit dark. I do apologise. I didn't pick my light in here. Then you've got sea elegance. Oh, is that one upside down? Yeah. orange fragrance and fragrance. It just says fragrance, so it's probably a mixture. Yeah, so it looks alright. It goes on there really easy. Just push it on basically. So only a little clip. Nothing flashy to look at, but it's a good size. I mean, you've still got adjustments there. I mean, if you want, you can take it off and put it down there, like so. So the wife's going to get a blast of fragrance in her face. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Right, so the way it works, I just had a quick read of the back of the box. There's a bit of information up there. Basically, it tells you what you need to do. It's a rotary design at both ends. That's what it says on there. So basically, you turn that, and it turns it, either opens it, or closes it. So we want it fully open because it's make it smell nice, and you can smell it. It does smell very nice indeed. And I think you can, well, you can just turn that thing. That just keeps turning, so that goes all the way around. But you can actually see it, and I can't actually show you, but you can actually see when it's fully open, when it's partly open. So it's partly open, fully open, partly open. So that's how it works. And one of the other things it does as well, it shows you a picture there. You can actually unscrew it and turn it. So if you want it the other way around, it's not a problem. There's a little Phillips screw in there. So put that back. So that's it for this unboxing of this little product. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name. Looks like AlsterPlus. That's what it says up there. Natural health. So it should make your car smell really nice, especially when you're driving, because obviously your air freshener is connected to your blower, and it blow it through. So with that, I'm going to try it over a few days, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so I've had it a few days, and yeah, got a lovely smell in there. Nice sort of freshness sort of smell, really nice. So what do I think about it? Let's get it off. It sticks on there very well. Well, it doesn't stick, you know, it's like a paper clip sort of thing. It goes on there very well. It doesn't look like it's going to fall off, as you just see me struggling to get the thing off. So it's quite tight. Once it's on, it wants to stay on there. It's easy to change. You just unscrew that, take the old one out, put the new one in. I'm not sure how long they last. I would have thought it would last quite a while. I like the fact you get 5 of them, so you can choose different flavours if you like. I think it's very good, and it's easy to fit on. You can turn it around. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. I think £11, you're getting 5 fragrances. You know, if you go out and buy your £1 or £2 ones, you're paying nearly that anyway, and you're just throwing them away because they're just hanging about and that. These clip onto your air vents, the same as some of the more dear products you can buy. I quite like it. It looks quite nice. It looks quite modern, if you like. Yeah, I like it. It gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Oh, and if you have any comments, please post them below.